Hi, I'm Rex Zhang. I'm General Manager of GIMER Medical. A decade ago, with purpose of providing a prolonged pain relief solution to patients, me and 4 other co-founders, we started this company and spun off from the National Taiwan University. Our core technology is ultra-high frequency stimulation pulse RF, coming along with 2 product lines. One is implantable spinal cord stimulation device, which received the funding and tech support from Medtronic in 2019. Another one is StingOn, an FDA-cleared wearable pain relief product. It has solid scientific-based results on safety and long-lasting efficacy. The inspiration of StingOn came from pain story interview, a story told by health provider, sport medicine expert, and the pain interviewees. Their story not only gives us the insight of what pain is, but also useful information for patients. Please come to our website and read more. Their story always reminds us what we work for and what we want to achieve. We are GIMER Medical, the pain solution expert. Please come to us and talk about your pain.